Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 3, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to start off, we'll need this little thing, SIM ejector. It comes provided with a device. You can find it in the box, but you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from there, once you actually get it, there we go. You want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side, right here, as you can see where the pen is holding. So push it in. The tray pops out, and from here you can simply pull it out, and you have space for two different SIM cards. So I'm just gonna occupy one of the spots. They should go only a single way, so you have no way of putting them in correctly. Make sure that they're just laying flush on the tray. And they are right now. And from there, simply carefully insert it back into the device so the card actually doesn't fall out. There's nothing really holding the card in place, so it could just jump out. So keep that in mind. But once you insert it, it will be locked in there. So from here, let's unlock it, and it should give us, there we go, a pin for the SIM card. So gonna unlock the SIM, and there we go. That is basically how you insert your SIM card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.